Alright, so number 17, this problem has a typo in it. 3/11ths of the people in the audience at a concert hall are children. So 3/11ths of the people in the audience are children. There are 800 more adults than children. So let's make a bar. Okay, so here's a fraction bar broken into 11ths. Well, 3/11ths of the people in the audience are children. So we mark the children that way. And there are 800 more adults than children. So if the remaining 8/11ths are adults, then you would need 3/11ths of the adults to equal the amount of children that were there. So any more adults after that would be adults more than children. So we have 5/11ths are more. And we're told that there's 800 more adults than children. So 5/11ths then is equal to 800. So if we wanted to take that 800 and break it down into 5 parts, 800 divided by 5, that would give 160 for each of those. So how many people are at the concert hall? It's going to be 11 times 160, or 1760. 3/8 of the children are girls. Well, how many children are there? There are 3 times 160. Well, there are 480 children at the concert. 3/8 of them are girls. 480 we can divide by 8, and that would be 60, and 60 times 3 would be 180. Once again, if you wanted to, you could make a fraction bar which would have 8 parts to it, and if the whole thing were 480, 480 divided by 8 would give 60, and then 3 of those would be 180. So the number of girls was 180. Since 3/8 of the children are girls, 5/8 of the children are boys. So that would mean if there are 180 girls, obviously there are 300 boys. And the difference, 300 minus 180, would be 120. And that would answer the question, how many more boys than girls are there? So once again in this, I would leave this problem this way, solve it using fractions and multi-step strategy without using an algebraic equation.